What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we will be unboxing our May LashyBox, and I am hoping that it is better than the last couple months because, LashyBox got to get their mind right. So guys, if you want to see what's in my May LashyBox, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. What's up, my loves? Y'all, today we got LashyBox. I know I got the same outfit on from Monday's video, but y'all, I shot these videos in one day because I had things to do. So I hope you guys don't mind. Today we're doing LashyBox. Hopefully, I have my Seductive Pleasures box in because Friday, it's going to be Freaky Friday and we're going to be unboxing Seductive Pleasures, and I am so excited and so looking forward to that box. It is an adult themed box, guys, so please don't have your kids watching that because I don't know what I'm going to get in that box, so just don't let them watch me for that video, okay? But today, guys, we're doing LashyBox. Y'all know I'm a lash lover, and I look forward to all of my lash subscriptions each month. I just got an email from Lash Me Monthly. My box is on the way, so I'm very excited about that. So we're going to do quick shout-outs. We're going to get into the specs, and we're going to unbox it. Y'all ready? Let's go, baby. I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys. I really, really, really do. Today's drink, your girl got her a little Cosmopolitan. Now, I didn't put it in the correct glass because I broke it, but I think this is good enough. I am missing a couple of ingredients, but just know it's got the main essentials, liquor. So we're going to take a dance break and a drink break before we even start, boo. Oh, girl, that's strong. So let's get into the specs, baby, and unbox this baby. For you guys that do not know, LashyBox is a $13.99 lash and makeup subscription. You have to pay shipping, and I think shipping is based on where you live. You get 4 pairs of lashes each month and a makeup or beauty tool. It has a minimum value of $50 to $80. There's a link in the description below if you guys want to check LashyBox out. Also, they offer a drama box, a soft glam box, a mini box, and an XL box. So the link is down below, guys. Check them out, look around, and see if you want to subscribe. But we're going to get on into the unboxing because I know that's why y'all here, right? This is what the box looks like, my loves. And when we open it up, ooh, okay. I did take a quick peek inside of the box so that I can get some of the prices so I can put them down below as well as let you guys know during the video. So let's see what we got. First up on top, I am seeing these LashyBox lashes. These are the 3D faux mink lashes in the style Wink. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves, right there. We're gonna take it out. Ooh, they're pretty. Very wispy lashes, and these are what the lashes look like. I love them. They're nice and wispy, very natural, like give you a nice sexy eye. So I do like these. And let me see what the price is on these bad boys, baby. And these, my loves, are the LashyBox Wink 3D lashes, and they retail for $9.99. Next up from LashyBox, we received these in the pair Poppin' Boo. It's just popping though, y'all. So these are beautiful lashes. They are popping. These are the kind that TonyaNicole likes to wear. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Wispy, long, dramatic. Give me a nice, sexy look. Y'all know I love looking sexy. I know y'all better love looking sexy too, right? All my subscribers best be looking good. This is what they look like, guys, and these are gorgeous. I love them, TonyaNicole style. Love them, and these retail for $9.99 as well. Next up, we have these from Aloha, and these are the Rose All Day lashes, and this is what they look like. I've been receiving these in a lot of lash subscriptions. I got it in Glow Addict. I got it in My Lash Bag. I think I got it last month in LashyBox. So this brand is popping up a lot in the boxes. And these are the lashes right here, guys. They're very natural lashes. They're good for work or just my natural eyed people or my beginners. Y'all would definitely love them. They do feel soft, but this would give you like a natural look, which most people do like. Everybody's not dramatic like me, unfortunately. And these retail, guys, for $11.99. Next up, my loves, is also from Aloha, and this is a penny for your thoughts. These are what the lashes look like, my loves. These are pretty. I like these. These are a little more dramatic, a little more full, I'll say. This is what the lashes look like right there. Gorgeous, nice lashes. They are very, very, very soft. I love them. These would be the kind that I would definitely wear. And these retail for $11.99 as well, my loves. And let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh, a dance break. Last up, we have a Pellet. And this one is the Cosmo 9-color eyeshadow palette. This is the kind of glass that I had, y'all, but I broke it. So we're going to have to settle for this. That looks similar, huh? Ooh, ooh. So this is from Rue Cosmetics, and this is a 9-shadow palette. This is a cocktail party collection. This is what it looks like, my loves, when we slide it out. Oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. Does come with this little plastic piece right here. And ooh, these are beautiful. These are the colors right there, my loves. Gorgeous colors, a nice neutral palette. Some of the shades are girls' night out, ladies' night, hookup, happy hour, bar hopping, hump day. I love it. Let me swatch a couple for you. We have some mattes and shimmers in here. That's what they look like on my fingertips. And this is how they look swatched out right there. Look at that, Joel. Beautiful. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Rue Cosmetics Cosmo 9-color palette. And it retails for $14.50. We also received a little glue. So, guys, that was the final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Rue Cosmetics this eyeshadow palette right here. From Aloha Lashes, these 2 pairs of lashes right here. And from LashyBox, these 2 pair of lashes here. And a sample glue. So that's 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this month's box. Well, I must say that I am pleased with this month's box. I will get use out of most of the lashes in comparison to last month. I do like the fact that we have a palette back in this box. That was one thing that I did love about LashyBox. It's only $13, but they always gave us full-size products, and I do like the fact that we have this. Out of the 4 pair of lashes, I'll probably wear a strong 3 pair. So I think that is pretty good for this month. So I am pleasantly surprised and pleased that LashyBox is back, base. So yes, thank you, LashyBox, for giving me what I need. Thank you. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn dumpster. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. We're going to give a LashyBox for the month of May a solid 4. I am very excited that we got a palette and some lashes that I can finally use. So TonyaNicole is happy again with LashyBox. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on LashyBox. Let me know if you are subscribed to them or not. Are you a lash wearer? I don't know. I know most of my subscribers are, or getting into lashes, which I love. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Boo, we almost to 3,000, and I'm so excited. We're gonna do a giveaway too. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All of my social media is linked below. If I hadn't told you before, subscribe to your girl. It's free. Free, boo. And I hope you guys had your drinks ready. I hope you enjoyed the video with me. I'm sorry that I didn't change, guys, but y'all, I'm kind of pushed for time. Y'all know I'm on vacation, right? Yeah, doing nothing. So guys, until next time and next video, I hope you guys leave me a comment. I will see you down below and in my next video on Friday, Freaky Friday. So I hope all y'all ready. I'm coming as dominatrix TonyaNicole. So be ready for that, y'all. So see you guys later. I love you dearly. Bye.